A day after Bombay High Court granted bail to Shah Rukh Khan's son Aryan Khan in the cruise drug bust case, he is likely to walk out of jail by today evening or tomorrow morning. India Today has learned that Aryan, who has been lodged in Mumbai's Arthur Road jail for the past 3 weeks, will have to wait for a bail order from the court that will only come by the afternoon. From there, a release order will be issued and that will be taken to Arthur Road jail. Once the release order reaches Arthur Road jail, the jail administration will finish up the paperwork that usually takes an hour or so. Once that is done, will Aryan be free to walk out of jail? But for Aryan to be released today, that release letter should reach the jail administration by 5:30 p.m. Any minute after that, and Aryan will leave prison only on Saturday.
It could be Aryan Khan's last night in Arthur Road prison. Shah Rukh Khan's son could be going home on Friday or at the latest on Saturday. Aryan has spent 21 days so far at the Arthur Road prison since he was held by the Narcotics Control Bureau on 2nd October. Aryan's friend Arbaz Merchant and Munmun Demecha, two other arrested after the cruise drug bust, have also been given bail.
The court has granted bail to all the petitioners, Aryan Khan, Munmun and Arbaz Khan. The court has heard the case for more than 2 or 3 days and the court has granted bail just now. The detailed order will be given tomorrow and hopefully all the 3 petitioners will come out of jail either tomorrow or on Saturday.
Aryan's bail came after 3 days of hearing in the Bombay High Court. Former Attorney General Mukul Rohatgi gave weight to the case for a bail with forceful defence.
The most important thing is that the observations and the complete orders are yet to be passed. But however, what happened today in the court is that the NCB gave their counter submissions against our bail applications and argument submissions. Accused number 1's lawyer stood up and he just started giving rebuttals. And thereafter, there were 2 more rebuttals which were supposed to going on, including our rebuttal. But before that itself, the court just allowed the application of all the 3. So we are happy with that.
The Narcotics Bureau fought tooth and nail to oppose Aryan's bail plea. It said Aryan was a habitual drug consumer and he was in constant touch with allegedly the drug peddlers. The Narcotics Control Bureau further argued Aryan knew that Arbaz was carrying drugs and accused him of conscious possession of drug substances. The agency also said there was evidence to show bulk purchase of drugs. What probably worked for Aryan Khan was that the drug control body based its arguments solely on WhatsApp conversations. Rohatgi countered the WhatsApp chats as evidence, saying they were from 2018 and 2019 and had no connect to the cruise boat case. He also said the admissibility of electronic devices as evidence was a violation of personal liberty.
Granting of bail is only an immediate relief for Aryan Khan. In the long run, he actually has a long legal battle to deal with to prove his innocence, to prove that he had nothing to do with this particular case. With cameraman Raju Inamdar in Mumbai, Vidya for India Today.
Now, Aryan Khan is likely to be out from Arthur Road jail either by today evening or tomorrow. So what will happen for his release? What are the legal formalities that need to be done? Let's break it down for you. Now, the Bombay High Court will release a bail order. That's the first thing that will happen today. The bail order will be sent to the special NDPS court. That is what is to happen next. After that, the NDPS court will issue a release order. After that, that release order will then be taken to Arthur Road jail. The jail authorities need that release order. They will then complete all the paperwork that needs to be done. And that is when Aryan will be able to walk out of jail either today or tomorrow, depending on when that release order actually reaches Arthur Road jail. My colleague Saurabh Vaktania is now joining me live from Mumbai on this story. Saurabh, what is it likely to be? Is Aryan to be released from prison today evening or will it be tomorrow?
Well, the lawyers are trying very hard that Aryan Khan gets released from the Arthur Road jail today itself. The sources in the Arthur Road jail are telling us that Aryan is very much happy. And most importantly, let me tell you that Arthur Road jail officials are also telling he is the most well-behaved person inside the Arthur Road jail. And he's so much happy. He thanked all his friends inside the prisons right now. And he thanked the jail officials as well. He's himself expecting that by today only he gets out. The most important part is the main release order. Now, how do we get this release order? Once the detail order comes in, the sources in the court are telling us, our reporter Vidya, her colleague, is also telling us that the judge has already started writing the detail order. So once that detail order is out, that detail order has to be taken to the Sessions Court. Now, let me tell you, from Bombay High Court to Sessions Court is just 5 minutes of distance. So from there you give that detail order, from there you give the bail bond amount, whatever will be the bail amount given by the judge. From there you get the release order. From Sessions Court to Arthur Road jail, let me tell you, the distance is of only 30 minutes. The last time to give this release order and to keep this release order inside the Arthur Road jail is 5:30 p.m. So if you put this particular release order before 5:30 p.m, then Aryan Khan comes out in 1 hour. So the lawyers are trying very hard. Let me tell you, one lawyer team is already at Bombay High Court to get the detail order. Another team is at the Sessions Court, who is at the person who will be giving the release order. Another team is already ready so that immediately this release order can be taken to the Arthur Road jail. So they are trying it very, very hard. They are trying all the possibilities that Aryan Khan comes out from the Arthur Road jail today itself.
Right. Saurabh there reporting from Mumbai. The legal team of Aryan Khan making every effort in order to ensure that Aryan Khan is released from prison today itself.